Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and check your laptop. You've already made $500 this week, not from a 9-to-5 job, but from simple AI side hustles that do most of the work for you. Imagine waking up to payments while you sleep, with AI working around the clock. That's the reality thousands of people are stepping into right now. In this video, I'll show you 3 of the most profitable AI hustles you can start right now. These are beginner-friendly, faceless, and require little or no upfront cost. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share a bonus strategy to tie everything together. The first side hustle is freelancing on Fiverr. Businesses need content, graphics, and videos daily, and AI makes it easy to deliver. Take writing. Companies pay $10 to $50 for blog posts or captions. With an AI writing tool, you can create content in minutes. A few articles per day, and you're already hitting $500 a week. Graphic design is another gold mine. Sellers use AI design tools to generate logos, thumbnails, and Instagram posts in minutes, then charge $20, $50, even $100. And video services, adding captions, trimming clips, cleaning audio, are in huge demand. AI automates the hard parts, and businesses pay you for results, not the tool. Freelancers also offer AI voiceovers, transcription, and even chatbots, all powered by tools that save hours of work. Start by creating a Fiverr profile, upload a simple logo, and list your services. Begin with low prices to build reviews, then scale up. My Fiverr link is in the description. It's free to join and one of the fastest ways to start monetizing AI skills. The second side hustle is turning long videos into short viral clips with Clip. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels dominate attention, but creators don't have time to edit. With Clip, you upload a long video and AI instantly finds the highlights, adds captions, and formats it for vertical. Freelancers charge $10 to $20 per clip. Sell a package of 10 for $150 and you can deliver in under an hour. Just scroll through TikTok or YouTube Shorts and you'll see thousands of clips created every single day. Demand is only going up. Businesses, influencers, and coaches all need content daily. And the best part? You're not on camera. You're just repurposing content. Build a portfolio by practicing on free YouTube videos or podcasts, then offer your service on Fiverr. My Clip link is in the description. The third hustle is building funnels with System.io. Funnels are how businesses capture leads and sell products, landing pages, email sequences, and checkout pages. Before, tools like ClickFunnels were expensive and complicated. System.io makes it simple and free to start. Small businesses and coaches know they need funnels, but can't build them. On Fiverr, freelancers charge $50 to $500 for a simple setup. With System.io, you can build one in under an hour and deliver it to paying clients. Most business owners care about results, not software. They just want something that works. If you can give them a system that brings in customers, they'll happily pay you. It's free to use, so you can even build a demo funnel for yourself as a portfolio. I've linked System.io in the description. Here's the secret. Don't just pick one hustle. Combine them. Find clients on Fiverr, repurpose their videos with Clip, and upsell them by building a funnel with System.io. Instead of one service, you offer a complete package. That's how freelancers go from a few hundred to thousands per month. If you take action on even one of these hustles today, you'll be ahead of 99% of people who only watch videos and never start. So, to recap, Fiverr lets you freelance with AI, Clip turns long videos into shorts, and System.io builds funnels and automation. Put together, they create a toolkit for real online income in 2025. If you found value in this video, give it a like, Subscribe for weekly AI side hustle content, and comment below which hustle you're most excited to try. Links to all the tools are in the description. I'll see you in the next one.